Good morning. Okay, yeah. Well, it's actually almost afternoon. I'm on my way to Bath and Body Works. I want to see the new Florissant as well as that honey Wildflower collection because y'all know I'm a little bit excited for this collection. Even though I'm not really big on body care, but this collection, because of that honey, I am a rider for honey. Yes. I love just about anything with honey in it. Yeah, I do. I honestly think bees are probably my favorite insect, even though I don't like insects. But I think bees are probably my favorite insect. I just love them for some reason. I think they're beautiful. I love the fact that they make honey. I absolutely love honey. So yes, I'm a little bit excited for this collection, even though I have seen a couple of reviews and people saying that the candle is actually really light, which sucks. I was thinking it might smell like the lavender honey candle. So they don't have a sale on these candles yet, so I'm not gonna get it. I'm just actually going to do a walkthrough, and if I see something, then I might buy. If I don't, then I ain't. So yeah, so let's get this video started. Also, welcome everybody. Shout out to all my MVP supporters on this channel, people who watch all of my videos no matter what I put out. Thank you for always supporting your girl. You are my MVP. So yeah, let's get this one going. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, do all the stuff I normally say do in the video. Let's get it because it's getting late. All right, let's go. I was so excited to see this new collection because, as I said before, I really enjoy the honey scent, the honey note. This display for me was so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I really wanted that bee. I really wanted to get that bee, but she told me one of the employees already had dibs on it. So once the collection comes down, that employee will be able to have that one. Let's get into this collection. Amazing. The scent smells so good. Let's get into the collection, y'all. Anything in this collection, but the display is really nice. To me, this gives me more of a spring vibe versus fall, so I'm not sure about this collection. I think this is probably a late collection. I think they should have brought this out for spring/summer. to me, this collection is really nice. I actually really like the packaging of this collection, but I have no interest in this collection at all. Maybe the coconut candy apple body care, but this is an easy pass for me. I really like that strawberry pound cake packaging. It's so pretty. Now, these were the only Halloween items that my store had, so I'm not sure when my store is going to get the Halloween stuff, but this is all they had, was these few items. Okay, y'all, I'm leaving out the store. I did make a little small purchase. I didn't get a whole lot of stuff. The new honey collection, I really like it. Yeah, I really like it. I know some people said that it smelled more floral than honey. I really like it, I must say. So, you know, I gotta get the whole collection. I gotta get the whole collection. I did buy a couple of items. They had some candles for 50% off. So I did grab 2 of those. I really wanted that, sorry about the wind. I really wanted the rainbow confetti candle. I have one, but I wanted to get a backup of that candle before it leaves because I don't think it's gonna come back. So I might go to a different store to see if they have it. I did get the perfect summer because I don't have it, and I'm getting it because of Santa Marie. She said it was so good, so I decided that, you know, I'm gonna go ahead and try it. And then they did have some home accessories. So I did grab one item that everybody think is ugly, but I think it's pretty nice, so I did grab that. Like I said, I only grabbed 3 things. I grabbed 4 things. Yes, I grabbed, wait a minute, y'all, let me adjust. So I did grab 4 items. Like I said, I grabbed the perfect summer candle because of Santa Marie. She said this candle was amazing, so I decided I'm gonna try it. Why not? Because this whole collection, all this summer stuff is getting ready to leave. They're getting ready for fall, so all of the summer stuff will be gone. So if you haven't got your hands on some of these summer collections, now is the time. So the lid is actually really pretty. Hopefully I'm not coming in dark because I am standing out here. But yeah, the scent notes is citrus, orange, and coconut. Just to give a quick little description of it. 3 wick. I kind of feel like this smells very floral to me, even though it's more citrus and orange, more of a citrus candle. I don't know. Hopefully this is good, so we shall see. Then I decided to get a backup of this salted pretzel milkshake candle because I do have one, and this is a candle that I actually really like. I probably should have grabbed 2, but 1 will do because I think this is probably my 3rd one. I have one from a different collection, so that's the reason why I just decided to just grab 1. Pretty packaging. I love all of the candles that come in this collection, but I will say this, they don't really throw good at all. So those were the only 2 candles I got. I decided to get this clam soap holder. I decided to go ahead and grab that. This one was $19. So yeah, and this was the last one in the store, so I did grab that. The last thing I grabbed that nobody likes these things, but I decided to go ahead and grab one of these vases. and it was 75% off, which is $12.50. Yes, I decided to go ahead and grab one of these. I think I'm gonna paint it, and I'm gonna put some of that that dry looking grass stuff in it. That's what I'm gonna do with this. And I'm actually probably gonna put maybe some rocks or some of those decorative rocks on the bottom so it won't fall over, because as you do see, the base is really small, so it's a chance that it could tilt over. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just put some of that I'm just gonna put some rocks in it just to weigh it down more, and put some of that I think it's called pampas grass, I think, but I insert a picture so y'all can see exactly what I'm talking about. So yeah, I might paint this white, or either, yeah, I don't know the color yet, white, black, or gray, maybe, we'll see. So yeah, this was the last thing I got for $12.50. That wasn't bad, because this thing was like maybe, I don't know the regular price. So yeah, those are all of the things that I got from this little trip at the mall. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up button, leave me some comments, let me know, are you still shopping the semi-annual sale, or are you buying any 50% candles? Leave that at the bottom. Don't forget to follow your girl on Instagram. Do that, because we're trying to grow all the way up over there, so please support me on that side. This chick back here is recording me, who cares? So like I said, don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave me some comments, and I guess I'll see y'all in the next video. I'm actually finna hit up another store, so I'll see y'all on the next one. All right, peace.